of Eric Bennett. So our guy on the inside is a 53T of Matt, I'm going to try to say this right, Schuch. I believe that's how it's pronounced. He's out of St. Charles, Illinois, so he's going to set the pace for us here. All right, Rick, green flag, and we're racing. These drivers will be going 6 laps, as it's going to be the 53T car. I'm just going to call him Matt. Go ahead and try to get the early lead. These are 6-cylinder cars. Basically knock the windows off, knock the mirrors off, knock the front ends out, and go racing. Some of these cars, radios work. Some of them might even have AC still. I hope not, but they might. So we've got a 3 wide now between, I think it's Dakota Paris and the 84. It is, and we've got the 151S of Robert Stoltz. Oh, and Dakota Paris pushes them up. Josh Cavan almost took advantage of that. So the 151S, that is a Chevy Malibu Max. The guy that won this a couple weeks ago won it with a Chevy Malibu. And all of a sudden, we got like 4 or 5 Chevy Malibu Maxes. Everybody's looking for a Malibu Max. Here comes that 151 of Robert Stoltz in the Malibu Max, looking to challenge the 100 car. And the 100 car is driven by Rob Wood. Oh, 3 wide, and Stoltz pushes into Wood, who pushes into Paris. 151S just kind of all over the place. Stoltz a little high, the 100 now, pushing into the 84. That's Rob Wood and Dakota Paris. They're battling back and forth. And we got a battle in the back there, the Chucky car. It's Adam Duback. And outside of him, the 36 of Eric Bennett battling. White flag out for the 53 car of Matt Schuch. Oh no, Josh Cavan gets sideways as Eric Bennett. I don't think Josh Cavan kind of lost it coming out of turn 2 and had nowhere to go, and all of a sudden Matt Schuch wins the race. All right. Well, that was interesting. You fans like these Sixers. How about that, huh? How about that? All right, so our winner's coming around here. I should learn how to say his name, right? The hardest name I ever said in my life, and I hope he comes back. Great guy. All right, let's go to this. Let me find this guy here. Let me see. There he is. Yeah. I'm sorry, Matt Schuch. They had to spell. Make some noise, Rockford Speedway. It's Matt Schuch. All the way from St. Charles, Illinois. Yeah, the hardest name I've ever had to say in my life. I will spell it for you. Good luck trying to say it, and I'll say it what it is after it. The name was spelled A-N-S-O-L-A-B-E-H.